Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A16 is not charging. If you're using Galaxy A16 and you're facing the issue that your phone isn't charging, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to make sure that you have plugged in your charger and your phone, or you have to make sure that your charger had enough power to charge your phone. And once I've done, you can try to go ahead to your settings here. Just scroll down, go to battery here, and go to charging settings. Make sure that these both settings are enabled, show charging information and fast charging. Because sometimes it might be that if you have to disabled this toggle to show charging information, your phone will charge, but you will not be verified or you will not get any charging information here. So I recommend you have to turn it on. And you can also turn on this one to get fast charging in your phone. And once you have done, your issue might have been fixed in this app, but if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to clean your port or your charging port of your phone. So sometimes it might be that there's any dust or any dirt in your charging port, so your phone is unable to charge your battery. So once I've done, your issue might have been fixed. But if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can also try to check your charger if it's physically damaged or not. You can also try to change your charging cable. Sometimes it might be that your charging cable is damaged, so you're unable to charge your phone using that cable. So I recommend you how to try to change your charging cable. But if you're still facing the same issue, your charging cable is not damaged, but you're still facing the same issue, your phone is charging. So I also recommend you how to check your charger to use it with a second phone to check if it's working or not. If it's still not working in your phone, but the charger is well, it's charging your second phone, so sometime you might have any issue with your software. You just have to go ahead to your settings here, and once you are in settings, just simply go to software update section and make sure that you're connected to internet. Then click on check for updates to check for the pending software update. And once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, you can go back from here and just try to make a restart with your phone. Just scroll down your control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again. It will completely restart your phone. Once I've restarted, your issue might have been fixed and you will not get this issue again. Or if you're still getting the same issue, so I recommend you how to check out your battery, because sometimes it might be that your phone's battery is physically damaged. So it's you are unable to use your phone battery in your phone, but your phone battery is working but isn't charging. So yeah, I recommend you how to try to change your battery, or you can also try to repair your this battery. If you want to change, so you can try to get a new original Samsung battery, so it might help to fix your issue. So once you have changed your battery, you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.